Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You're welcome here. Thank you so much for keeping up with me. Yeah, so today I want to do or to show you how I normally draw my eyebrows without using a lot of products. Simple steps. How did I even get to know how to draw my eyebrows, guys? I learned from YouTube. I kept watching tutorials of how you can draw and perfect your eyebrows. I didn't have any idea about anything. And then the second step, once I picked the interest of drawing the eyebrows, was to buy the products, what to use. Yeah, so I just want to show you what I use when I'm drawing my eyebrows. I have a laser that I'm going to use. So first of all, you have to make sure that your eyebrows are shaped. Yeah, so mine, I think mine are okay, though I'm just going to show you a little bit how you can shape them. Mine are already fine, but I'm just showing you what I mean by shaping. Yeah, you need to remove the excess hair that are close to your eyebrows. Okay. And then you also have to come down and you shape depending on how you want them. You want and then this side as well. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Just make sure you shape as long as you don't cut them off. Yeah, so you have to go all up and then down. Yeah, so once your eyebrows are shaped, yeah, so mine are already okay. So like I was just showing you, but mine were already shaped. Yeah, so you should be having some of these things that I'm going to show you. One is the pencil that you're going to use, and you have to make sure that your pencil is it's shaped as well. Yeah, and then tool is you must have an angle brush. This will help you when you're concealing the eyebrows. And then number 3, you must have a spoolie, but for me I don't have a spoolie, so I'm going to use an old brush. Don't laugh at me. Yes. What else do you need to start up with the eyebrows? You need concealer. So I'm using a perfect concealer. This one is not common on market, but there is one called pro concealer. Yeah, that is common. You can try, but when you're buying the concealer, you make sure you buy concealer that matches your skin. Yeah, so guys, I won't take much time. I need to start up and show you how I do. So first of all, let me get closer. If your face is oily like mine, you need to get some foundation around, just to make sure that the eyebrows you're going to draw are in. Yeah, so this is if your face is oily, you need to get a foundation and then you'll put it on your eyebrows. So guys, I hope you were able to see the steps on how I made my eyebrows. Yeah, it's not hard. If you do not have a lot of things, let me tell you the main thing that you need to have. The main ones are these: concealer, angle brush, maybe this brush just to help you put the eyebrows up, and then the pencil. Yes, these are the main ones. If you have a spoolie, it's okay, or if you don't have, you can use this one. Yeah, so the very last step, like I was showing you, is to you make sure you clean the concealer off, because the eyebrows should be looking neat and clean. To clean the concealer, okay. Just make sure you clean off all the concealer, even down here, even here, and even here, and here.